Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get an ad code on Instagram. I was setting up a branded post on Instagram recently and needed the partnership ad code so a brand could run the post as an ad. The process is actually pretty simple once you know where the option is. I opened Instagram, went to my profile in the bottom right corner, and selected the post I wanted to use for the promotion. After that, I tapped the three dots in the top right corner of the post to open the settings. In the menu, there's a section called Partnership Label Ads. Once you open that, you'll see an option to get partnership ad code. When you toggle that option on Instagram, it automatically generates a code for that specific post. From there, you can copy the code and send it to the brand or advertiser through email or messages, or even share it directly through Instagram. Once they receive the code, they can use it to promote your content as a partnership ad without needing direct access to your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.